So chapter 12, 13, 14, part B, fundamental insurance, fill in the blanks. Client's responsibility when making claim under own damage coverage. Other responsibility. The insured must promptly notify, promptly means immediately, of any loss or damage. When there is a loss or damage to the insured automobile, the insured must take all reasonable steps to protect the vehicle. So they must promptly and then reasonable. When the claim involves the theft or the theft of the insured automobile, a report must be filed with police within 48 hours. Around 48 hours. Theft 48 hours. The expense made for temporary repairs considered necessary to drive the insured vehicle to repair shop or garage are not covered. Our expense not covered unless permission has been obtained from ICBC. So don't repair yourself. Broader loss of the use coverage. An insured who purchased specified peril or comprehensive coverage is also insured for loss of use due to theft. ICBC provides insured with the option to purchase broader loss of use coverage and higher limits. So broader loss of. No deductible applies to this coverage. You will buy this. Coverage is provided when the insured automobile cannot be used because of loss or damage from any peril insured under the own damage coverage purchased by the insured. This coverage can be purchased at any time during the policy period, but the insured would normally purchase this coverage at the time of application or renewal. Applicant provided with both daily limit and a total limit, either daily and total. It's called broad. And the next one is excess special equipment endorsement. Any equipment installed in the vehicle by the manufacturer or supplied through dealers or the manufacturer, the dealer is automatically covered in the own damage coverage, irrespective of the cost of equipment. But an excess special equipment endorsement or an excess special is required when equipment is installed from a private source, having cost in excess of permitted amount or in excess, which is sound related equipment, for example speakers, built-in mobile phones, $1,000. Customer paint finish, $5,000, right? Permanently attached equipment, special wheel tires, $5,000. For example, you buy better than this one, right? So then you have to buy this insurance. So 1,005 basically you need to remember. Binder for owner's interim certificate of insurance. The binder is used to provide automobile insurance for a vehicle which is purchased by a BC resident. Purchased by a BC resident in another province, right? Held BC and or in another country who wishes to bring it back to BC for licensing. This is issued for a maximum of 30 days. So binder for 30 days from other province or from other country, right? Unlicensed vehicle policy. This coverage is used for ensuring unlicensed vehicle in a storage. Unlicensed motor vehicle with an engine capacity of 110 cc or less used by an underage operator. So that's it.